What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So yes, today's video we are starting this vlog in the bad Nissan over here. Well, just because I'm gonna go to my shop, and as you guys know, last time I drove the Dirty Max over there, you saw the little incident she got in. So when I go to work, I drive the Nissan, well, because you guys seen the parking lot, can't fit the truck in there barely. And we get a lot of people going in, out. So if they hit old girl over here, well, that's okay. I won't be as heartbroken as if they hit the truck. ¿Qué pasa? What, on your phone? Everybody's asking about you, looking for you. I told them you're a hard worker. You're sitting here on your phone?
I don't have to go to the computer. My phone is more easy.
Oh, let me see. Let me see what it looks like.
I have connected to the computer.
Oh, let me see. Let's show everybody. Let's show everybody. You see, guys, you can always catch him in a lie. What are you doing to this thing?
Brakes.
Brakes?
Yeah, front brakes.
So guys, you asked me what we do at this shop. We do about everything here. As you see, we kind of have new cars, Subaru, Ford Rangers. We got a lot of old cars, Mustangs. I believe that's a 67 Mustang. Yeah, we got Corvettes. We got Novas over there. We got a lot of cars here. And if you guys are wondering also, I remember you guys commented, why do you call that guy over there Rainbow? Efren, show him why we call him Rainbow. They want to know why we call him Rainbow. Because of his socket set. Look at his socket set. Now, nice. Why did you choose that socket set, Rainbow? It was on sale?
No, because
it makes it easier to get the socket size.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. That's acceptable. Let's check on Rainbow. Rainbow, what are you working on over here?
Trying to find a vacuum leak.
Oh, that's not fun.
Yeah.
Vacuum
with code P0174.
P0174? What was the definition of it?
That's bank 2 lean. Lean bank 2.
Bank 2 lean?
So bank 2 should be on that side, so maybe a vacuum line that it's loose or something, but no, but the car when it came in, it had a loose hose, which was this one. And
that's the one you replaced already?
Yeah, well, when it came in, this thing was sticking out, so it was like around this side.
Oh, so you just put it back on.
It's
I feel it right now, misfiring. Yeah, it's running rough right now.
System 2 lean bank 2.
System 2 lean bank 2.
So
see, guys, we get a lot of also vehicles in here with check engine lights that need to be repaired, and those are the worst because you get a check engine light. People think when you just hook up the scanner, it's going to tell you the problem. It won't tell you the problem. It just gives you a hint. So for an example, this is giving you a P0174 System 2 lean bank 2. Well, now you got to figure out why it's too lean. And lean means that this thing is not getting enough fuel. So when something says it's too rich means it's getting too much fuel, and too lean means it's getting not enough fuel. So what he's doing right now is he's spraying the carb cleaner on there and hopefully trying to find this vacuum leak, because if he does find it, if he sprays in the right area, what this truck will do is, if he can get it, this thing will sound like it's gonna die, and he'll be able to pinpoint exactly what's happening and where this hose is coming from. I'll give you guys a little shop tour. This is the inventory. Again, Efren on his phone. What are you doing on your phone that's so important than making money?
Oh my God.
No answer, huh? It's okay, don't worry about it. As long as at the end of the day we make some money.
No, I was waiting for parts.
And everybody said, isn't your Efren supposed to be EFE?
Oh my God, this guy again, the uniform guy.
The uniform, just guys, FYI.
My mom was fighting when I was little to put my name, Efren, and this guy, after 44 years, he changed my name just like nothing.
Now, is this spelled proper, the I-N, or no? Oh, no, that's wrong.
This is wrong.
See, that's wrong. It's supposed to be
E-F-R-E-N, not Efren.
So Efren is very, very upset at that. So when I ordered the uniform, did you not tell the guy how to spell your name? Or
yes, I write it down, and it's still. Oh my God.
So guys, that's one thing that Efren gets.
My old day, just tell me this, because I thought I'm Efren.
See, E-F-R-E-N. Well, I mean, it's okay. We change it to I-Way, no problem.
So I'm American now.
Oh, now you're American? Good.
Efren.
Efren. Okay, that's good. That's good. At least you're not Rainbow. So guys, this is our back room where we keep some of the inventory. We have another mechanic. He's out sick. I don't know. Where is he?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. We're not sure where he is, but he's not here right now. So this is where we keep all the oil. We don't stock too much because we have a lot of parts stores. very, very close to us. But we do oil changes here, a lot of oil changes just oh, hey, speaking of that, did they pick up the oil?
No.
Really?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well, another problem is when you do the oil changes, nobody picks it up because now our bins in the back are full. But we keep a lot of full synthetic in here. Mainly oil because we do a lot of oil changes, because from oil changes, that's how we get these cars in here. When we do the oil change, we inspect the vehicle, see if it needs, you know, shock struts, brakes, whatever the vehicle comes in for. We will look it over and hopefully we find something with the vehicle. Number one, to keep the customer safe, to make sure, you know, because we get cars in here, sometimes they're metal on metal. We get cars in here, you know, it's puking oil, it's misfiring, check engine light, all that stuff. So that's why I keep a lot of oil and filters in stock. And then here's your just generic nuts, bolts. You know, we don't go through too many of these. Number one, just again, because we have part stores all over where I'm at in Claremont, and I mean, you can get stuff really, really fast. Brake cleaner, tire machine. We do not use this tire machine at all. This thing just sits here. We do not use the balancer. We use our solvent tank. Actually, I shouldn't say solvent because it's not solvent anymore. It used to be solvent, but now it cannot be solvent. It smells like Simple Green. We got our brake lathe here. I have 4 posts in this garage here. Here's all your wheel studs, nuts. This is Rainbow's box over here. Ephraim's box. Ephraim, where's your box?
I have to. Which one you like?
Which one? Go ahead, finish with him. So now what I would do, turn it off, pull a plug out, see what a plug look like, see if it's been replaced, look in the computer, look at the history, see if we've done it before.
How do they know how many miles when the screen, they not show the mileage? It's black.
Well, if the screen's black, just plug the scanner and the scanner will tell you. How'd you get the mileage if the screen's black?
Right there.
What are you talking about, Ephraim?
It's not electrical, it's mechanical.
Look at it.
What do you mean look at it? Right there.
It's mechanical.
87,000. It's a mechanical, it's not electrical.
Oh.
You're fancy. He drives, Ephraim drives a Porsche. Ephraim's used to the nice, you know, digital display. Right there, you see? No, a keyway, a key.
Yeah, I don't think this thing is for this type, this truck.
Okay, now I'll show you guys Ephraim's toolbox because I know you guys want to check his out. Ephraim, where's your toolbox? Show him your fancy tools. Woo! Oh, he's busting out the scanner. Oh, sorry. And also, guys, here is my manager's toolbox over there. He's got the Snap-on, the Intimidator edition. I believe it's the Intimidator 3. I believe it is. These Snap-on boxes were pretty damn pricey. He has a lot of money invested in some tools. He also has that Cornwall box, and he also has this Sequoia box over here also. So this is the shop right here. This is where cars are waiting to get worked on. This is where cars are going to get worked on. This is our little office right here. So if you guys remember in D-Max Rhino's video a while back, I used to sit right here. The office was here, desk, computer, everything. I closed this off. You clearly see we're not done yet. It's just a drywall. Closed it off, made a little office up here because the problem we were having is in the summertime, customers would want to sit and wait, which is acceptable, but it got a little hot. We had no air conditioning. So we built a little office in here. You know, this is just really where we build people out. Nobody really sits in here. Sometimes I sit in here, do some paperwork. But there's always so much going on out there. We don't have time to sit in here, nor do I have time to sit in here. This is just the front desk, and then back here is another computer, and this is where I do paperwork on this computer. That computer over there is to build people out, to make an invoice, do all that good stuff on there. And the invoice program I use right here is Mitchell 1. I would show you guys, but I have a lot of customers' personal information on that, so I cannot show you guys that. Also, guys, we have a upstairs. Upstairs, you know, nothing really gets done up there. It used to be an office, but the problem is when you go up here, you don't know what's going on in the shop. You can't see anything going on in the shop. You don't hear anything. There's no phone up there. When I bought this place was actually a used car sales lot right here. So why that upstairs is there is they used to, I guess, do deals up there. There's like a bunch of keys up there still. So nobody really goes up there. And you guys are also wondering all these that we got to get done. This thing has no brakes. Got to figure out why it needs brakes. This thing needs a motor. This thing is running rough, carbureted. Same thing, carbureted, is running rough. This old girl right here failed smog. She needs to pass smog. This Volkswagen needs a motor, and the Z needs to just run. We're not sure what this one needs yet. Here's a little shop sink that stays nice and clean. Now, if you guys are wondering about my labor rate, my labor we charge here is $120 an hour. That's about the going rate. When I called around here, everybody I've seen, they're going for, you know, 110, 115. Dealerships are like 145, 155. So we want to stay under the dealerships, because we don't want the customer to go. We want them to come to us. Number one, they can actually have a full experience, look at their car, come talk to the actual mechanic that's working on the car, not like a dealership, where a dealership, you get there, you know, you're dealing with a service writer, and you ask them a question, they have no idea what they did, what they needs to be fixed, or anything about your car. So we try to tell the customers, you know, stop going to the dealer, because we can give you a lot more information, and we can actually show you what's wrong with your car, so you believe it and you're more comfortable about spending the money that you need to spend to get the car fixed and repaired. Efren, guys, is the only one here that loves to still work with hand tools. Does it the old school way. Doesn't like no electric ratchets. Doesn't like no guns, nothing. He likes to grab.
I don't like to use it.
Well, why don't you like to use it? It gets the job done fast. Whoop, whoop, boom, you're done. It'll pop that caliper off, pull those pads out.
Because you guys never drain the compressor over here.
What do you mean don't drain the compressor? Who uses air still?
When you use this hose right here, instead of you fucking taking bolts out of there, a lot of wire coming out of my
okay, see, but who still uses air? You don't have electric? We need electric around here.
The problem over here, I don't make enough money to
no mames, doesn't make enough money.
And electric tools, and only electric tools that I like is Snap-ons only.
See, the guy doesn't make enough money, but he drives a Porsche. He can afford a Porsche. So I think you're making enough money. Oh, you just got lucky. Saved by the bell. Let's see who's calling over here. You need me to get in there and show you, Fernando? You got it.
I got it.
You got it? Okay. You let me know if you need help.
Yeah, I need your help. Just get out of here.
Just that's it? Leave? Go home?
Leave, yeah.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
You can help me a lot.
I guess I'm done for the day, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just give me my portion.
Okay, no problem.
That's why you came in, man. Because you're not getting Friday, right?
See.
I'm asking you every Friday.
Oh, see. You need feria.
See.
Oh, okay.
And then, after you give me my feria, you can go home.
So once I get the money.
I give you the whole day.
Wow, so if I give you feria, I'm done? That's it? Okay.
So what's going on with your truck? Talk to me.
My truck is leaking. So whatever you did, yeah, you didn't do a good job, way.
It's leaking from where?
It's leaking from the lift pump.
From the lift pump? It's nothing related with the fucking diesel filter.
Of course, that is the lift pump. You replaced the lift pump filters.
No.
Yes, you did.
Are you crazy, bro?
No, it's good. It's good, way.
Good.
See.
I know what I'm doing.
So you know what you're doing, huh?
Yep.
Okay, no problem. I just called them again. They said they're gonna put a rush on the oil pickup.
No. But I mean, we don't have no room, and what I'm saying is we don't have no room to keep these barrels over here. It was much better if you find someplace out you can put this.
Put what? The barrels?
Yeah. Cause
Well, why don't you guys push the barrels back here away in this corner?
well, the best thing you need to find a bigger place.
Listen, I've been looking for a bigger shop, okay? There's none around.
Yeah,
I can't
see,
find any.
Now it's much better for me to work in this machine.
Okay, I apologize, Way. I'll try to make sure I keep everything clear for you and everything is out of your way.
Yeah, please.
My apologies. Shit, see, guys, we can't make Efren mad.
I try to.
Efren's gonna one day show up to work and just palo everybody, palo.
Yeah.
¿Qué pasa, Rainbow? Lunche, way? Sí, lunche. You ready for lunche?
Go get the breakfast burrito.
Breakfast burrito time? Let's do carne asada. Carne asada and a churro. Ay, cabrón. Uy. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Same Rainbow.
Same?
I called.
Okay, you call. Okay, Rainbow, he's gonna call. Okay, give me carne asada and a churro. Rainbow, what do you want? ¿Qué quieres, güey? ¿Qué quieres?
Oh, you know what I got the other day? I got the carne asada fries. but
Carne
they call
asada
it-
fries?
But they call it tsunami.
Tsunami?
Yeah, it has like shrimp on top.
Oh. So
I don't
you're
like-
eating big, huh?
It's like
I think you guys are getting paid too much money over here.
It's like $18.
Ay, cabrón. No mames, güey. $18. Here's guy $18 for carne asada fries with shrimp.
That's what rich people eat.
Rich people see, man. This guy's got some serious fatty going on.
Many calories.
Wow. Okay. So is that what you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grande.
Efren's ordering our food right now.
No queso blanco.
No queso. How do you have no queso, güey?
¿Cuál es el otro? Pero acá mi amigo dice que el otro.
Efren's the best.
Pero, sí.
Queso lotero, ese no.
Ok. Para llevar.
Efren is the best.
Efren.
He knows how to order our food just right. He's very good at it. And he knows everybody at the Mexican restaurants.
That's good?
Yeah, I ordered already.
Damn, it smells good over here. What the? What? Hey, what? Where's my?
You want the California burrito or fried burrito? You want a fried burrito? Go to Lolitas.
Uh-oh, Efren's pissed. What happened, güey? ¿Qué pasa?
I
No
want
meat?
California burrito,
Sí.
but I think misunderstanding because I think they
just-
sent me a potato burrito.
Potato burrito? Efren, don't mess up, guys. Listen, if you guys are gonna make Efren a burrito, you better not screw him over.
Place, Lolitas.
Lolita's the best place.
Potato burrito?
Potato burrito, best place.
Yeah.
That's all. There's papa fritas in there. That's it.
That's it.
Damn.
But you can get free onions.
Ay, güey. But they're still the little ones. What the hell?
You can Rainbow messed up. But you know what? Because Rainbow, every time they go, they bring like 3 bags of
See,
onions.
so they put them the little ones.
Yeah. Every time they see Rainbow coming through, they change the
They changed it, so they take see, they take the little one, or they take the big ones, they put the little ones in because they know he's coming.
Yeah, see, look, you want some more?
Oh, sí, güey. Uy. Okay, where's my churro, güey? Yeah. Okay.
Got everything.
Here's my carne.
Carne.
All right. We'll be back after these messages, and I'll let you know how Efren likes his potato burrito. Call it the papa frita burrito.
Papa frita burrito, yeah.
Okay. You gonna eat all that? Okay.
That's the plan.
Okay. We're gonna see. Well, I'll let you guys know. He's so far at about 10% of it. Why is it closed? Are you done? Let's see. Open her up. What? That's like only
Halfway.
30. No, that's not half. 35. I'll give you 40. What do you think? 40%?
They just ate fucking like 20%.
20%. Damn. Efren's cutthroat, man. He's got no love. Yeah, you literally like. What is that? What?
Fucking corner.
Yeah, little baby corner. What the hell, Rainbow?
I need to go poop then.
That was funny.
Are you spraying for ants?
No,
What are you doing? Jefe. ¿Qué pasa, güey?
you're not ready to leave.
No?
No.
Okay.
I let them put the money out of your pocket, give it to me, and
Oh,
just ready to go.
Wait. Okay. All right. Well, guys, I
You
guess.
owe me from last week too.
Okay, guys, I guess I will see you back in the garage. Well, there you have it, guys. We're finally now back in the garage. Thank you, Efren, for letting me leave. I appreciate that. But that is a shop tour. That's what we do over there. It's a lot of maintenance. We don't do too many big trucks. I try to bring those here just because, number one, we don't have the room in there. You guys saw how tight it was. But number two, those two guys in there are not diesel guys. They're automotive mechanics. Can they work on diesel? Yes, they can. We brought diesel trucks in there. We can fit them in there. We just have to schedule it for it. So that's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.